Turning your engine 12J631. Turning good. At the front engines looks good, as you can see. It is full on compressor without any damage. Same as well like altimeter. And on this side, everything's good. Starter without any damage. Same as well like the gearbox. And on this side, engines on a good condition, as you can see. Turbo not broken. Turbo turn. And on the top, plastics cover without any damage. On the bottom, oil sump without any cracks, no leaks. And turning your engine 12J631.